morning, I'm Chef David. Today we are going to introduce to you a dish. It's called soft tofu with vegetarian sauce. Let's get down to it. Firstly, I'm going to make the sauce. We're going to steam the tofu. Alright, we'll put it in the steamer. I'm going to just pour this oil inside here. So right now I'm just going to fry the shiitake mushroom which has been hydrated. We're just going to fry it until fragrant. So you can add a bit of water. Vegetarian oyster sauce. You can already smell the flavors, the aroma, the light soy sauce. Okay, right about now, we're going to mix water into the corn flour. Now you should reach this type of consistency. Alright, so let us check on the tofu. It's done. We're going to transfer this onto a plate, nice plate, and we're just going to garnish it. Add a little bit of sesame oil into the sauce. We're going to put a little bit of wolfberry and then top it off with your cilantro. Just a little dash of sesame seed. There you have it, steamed tofu with vegetarian sauce. I hope you like it. Do this at home, it's really simple. I'll be back very soon with a more interesting recipe. I'll see you very, very soon.